World's first gold-plated hotel in Vietnam, rent $250. Southeast Asia country, Vietnam has built the world's first gold-plated hotel named Dolls Hanoi Golden Lake. Work on the hotel began in 2009. The construction work is expected to be completed by the end of this year. It is a six-star hotel. The hotel is built by the famous Nguyen Binh Group in Vietnam. The management of the hotel is being handled by the American company Wyndham Hotel Group. The gold-plated hotel cost 200 million to build, while 24 karat gold has been used inside and outside the hotel. Not just the whole hotel, but the hotel's toilet, seat, lobby, infinity pool, room, and even the shower of the bathroom are also wrapped in gold leaf. If a guest wants to have coffee at the hotel, he will be served coffee in a gold cup. All the furniture in the hotel is also made of gold. The gold-plated hotel is one of the tourist attractions in Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam. The work of the hotel is a few days left to be completed, but for the past several years, tourists have been flocking to the hotel. The hotel is located in Dinh district or on the edge of Giang Vo Lake in Hanoi. There are 5,000 square meters of ceramic tiles inside and outside the hotel. Such tiles are made entirely of gold. The gold-plated hotel built has a total of 25 floors, and the amenity pool is absolutely on the rooftop. The cost of spending the night at Sonar Hotel seems to be skyrocketing, but the rent of that hotel has been kept affordable. Room rent starts at $250, which is about you can even rent an apartment in this hotel wrapped in gold. However, apartment rent is much higher. It will cost 6,500. According to the hotel authorities, the hotel was not built with the aristocracy in mind, the middle class, and also visit the hotel. Our group has factory where we make all kinds of gold products very cheaply, said Nguyen Hu Dong, chairman of Hoa Binh Group, a hotel manufacturer. From that point of view, the cost of staying in this hotel wrapped in golds not too high. Magawa, a rat, awarded gold medal for bravery. Rats are considered as a harmful animal in human society, but Magawa, a 5-year-old African giant-paused rat, is totally different from this aspect. Magawa has discovered 39 landmines and 28 items of unexploded ordnance and helped to clear more than 1.5 million square feet of land over the past 4 years. And for this, he has received PDSA gold medal. The medal, awarded on Friday, September 25, lauded the life-saving bravery and devotion to duty for work detecting landmines in Cambodia. Magawa is the first rat to receive the award, a gold medal bestowed by the People Dispensary of Sick Animals (PSDA), a British charity that is often called the Animals George Cross. The award reportedly is the highest honor for outstanding animal bravery and exceptional dedication in civilian life, which has been presented to 30 recipients to date. According to PDSA, Magawa can search the area of a tennis court in 30 minutes, something that would take a human with a metal detector up to 4 days. Magawa's work directly saved and changed the lives of men, women, and children who are impacted by these landmines, said John M.C. Logan, the Director General of the charity, which bestowed the award in an online ceremony. Every discovery he makes reduces the risks of injury or death or local people. Moga's dedication, skill, and bravery are an extraordinary example of this and deserve the highest possible recognition, Mr. MC Logging added. The transparent glass public toilet is shocking. Public toilets are usually made of brick, wood, stone, and the inside of these toilets is dark and clean. Sometimes it is dangerous. That is why transparent glass public toilets have been made in Japan. Two such toilets have already been installed in the most popular tourist area of Tokyo, the capital of Japan. The walls of the toilets are transparent, but when someone enters, they automatically become blurred. However, after going out, you can see from the outside whether the toilet is clean or not. According to the official website of the manufacturer, the toilets are decorated with bright and colorful lights. It is clean and tidy, and it is known in advance whether there is anyone inside. And at night, its bright and colorful light enhance the beauty of the whole park. These transparent glass toilets have changed people's perception about the two toilets as part of a creative project. The two toilets were designed by Shigeru Ben, a Pritzker Award-winning architect and construction company. These are located at Yogi Fukamachi Mini Park and Haruno Ogaya Community Park in Shibuya.